Welcome back. Imperative sentences. In this video, we are going to focus on what is an imperative sentence. Check this sentence. Stay inside the car. As you are looking to the sentence, this sentence started with stay. So what do you think? What is the function of stay in this sentence? And what kind of sentence is this? Stay inside the car. So as we all know that this sentence is an imperative sentence. Because of what? Because the sentence started with the verb stay. Stay inside the car. We use imperative sentence for instructions. For example, look here. Answer the question. Answer the question. In this sentence, answer is the verb. Again, our sentence started with a verb. Now, the teacher is giving instruction. Answer the question. Embedded sentence also expresses advice. For example, if I'm going to advise this kid, I can say stay inside the car. Stay inside, again the sentence started with the verb, but I'm advising the kid. And also we use imperative sentence for orders. For example, as you're looking to this picture, this lady is ordering, so be quiet. Be quiet. You know that what is she doing? She is ordering to be quiet. So in this sentence, again the sentence starts with the be, which is the verb. Imperative sentence also expresses or shows invitation. You can see this picture. Two people are drinking coffee, and they're asking me to join. So they can say, "Come in and have a coffee." Come in, have a coffee. Come in is a kind of invitation. And again, the sentence is started with the verb, which is come. Imperative sentence also expresses request. So look at this picture. She is just trying a new shoes, or she's asking for something else, right? So she's trying her shoes. I am going to ask her, please sit down and try on these shoes. And this sentence I used please here because please is the imperatival adverb which change a command or order to a request. So if you want to change a sentence to a request, you must use please into your sentence. We use infinitive without to for imperative, and there is no subject. For example, look at this sentence, look at this picture. You lie down on the ground. In this sentence, do you see what is the problem? The problem is you, because in imperatives we don't use subject, and there is a verb lie. So infinitives always use to, but here we are not using to with lie down. We cannot say to lie down on the ground. Now we use don't or do not for the negative imperatives. Let's see this sentence. Don't put on your golden shoe. They don't look good. In this example, I'm going to make it in a negative imperative by using don't. Okay? Don't is a word that changed my sentence to negative. Don't put on your golden shoes. They don't look good. Always and never can be used at the beginning of the imperative phrases. For example, never let your children alone on the escalator, or always keep your child with yourself. In these two sentences, you can see that I used always and never at the beginning of the sentence. The first sentence I use never, and the second sentence I use always. And thank you very much. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Stay safe.